金石华尔街时刻，我是米少于超，现在位于纽约证交所的演播室，为您带来最前沿的财经资讯。那么本期呢，我们来连线 CME 分析师，更多了解黄金市场在本周的可能性波动。We see that gold has been rising steadily this year, and if the recent volatility in global market continues, do you expect prices to respond favorably next week?
You know what? Gold is in a very challenging pattern right now. It's stuck in consolidation from 1310 to 1365. Now, it did make a higher low around 1330. So that could be a reason that gold may rally. But until it can break above 1365, I don't see this pattern being violated. And I think the longer that it stays here, if it fails to hold 1330 on the downside, it could go lower. So again, there's a good target around 1400. But until we can't talk about 1400 until we get above 1365. So the volatility aside, the markets have not been able to close above and hold 1365 to put the rally on. So until then, we look for consolidation to remain and watch the new money switch as the strong hands go from buyers to sellers back and forth.
Missiles drugs by the U.S. on Syria will further lead investors to bet on safe haven metal in turn positive for gold prices. But so far, more it seems like on rhetoric. So how soon the geopolitical tension will fade away on gold rally? Or it will push gold to reach above 1400?
You know, I don't know that it'll do anything with the geopolitical part of it. Again, one of the things we know and we've learned from geopolitical events or any event in markets is that the markets anticipate, they go with what we call market expectations. So they already priced in the actual missile launches. And what happened is when they were successful and there was no problem, gold sold off. And I think when you try to time a geopolitical event or what's going to make a market move, I think that's the mistake that many traders and investors look for. I think what you have to really do is follow the footprint and follow the money of what's going into gold. And right now that footprint is really confused because it goes up to the top end and comes back to the bottom end and just churns inside that range. So I think that's more something to watch.
好的，感谢您收看本期的金石华尔街时刻，我们下期再会。